हेलो फ्रेंड्स, प्रीवियस लेक्चर में हमने देखा था ईआर मॉडल के मेजर कंपोनेंट्स। इस लेक्चर में हम देखने वाले हैं कंपोनेंट्स जो हमने देखे थे, ओके, उसी का टाइप्स। ओके, सो द फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट वी सॉ वाज एंटिटी, राइट? सो एंटिटी आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स। ओके, सो फर्स्ट इज व्हाट? फर्स्ट इज अ strong entity, and the second one is what? Weak entity. Okay, so entity are of two types, strong and weak. Okay, so what is a strong entity? A strong entity is an entity which will have a primary key, so now what is a primary key? Primary key means unique plus not null. Okay, so it will have unique values and it cannot be null. Okay, it will have unique value and it will not be null. Okay, so strong entity will always have a primary key. And weak entity will not have a primary key. No primary key. Okay, and what is the next major point? So this is the first point. What is the next major point? What are the difference? Okay, so second difference is what? Strong entity is not dependent because it is strong, right? So it is not dependent. So it is not dependent on any other entity. Okay, but weak entity is weak, right? It is weak. So weak entity is dependent upon strong entity. It is dependent upon what? It is dependent upon strong entity. Okay, now third point is what? How it is represented. The strong entity is represented as normal rectangle only, and relationship will be also normal diamond. Okay, but in weak entity, the entity will be of double rectangle and relationship also will be of double diamond. Okay, so what can you think of the example of a strong entity and a weak entity? Okay, so basically if you will say customer and loan. So customer is a strong entity because if customer is not there, the bank will not work, right? So customer is a strong entity. Okay, so this is a strong entity and it will have some attributes like customer ID, customer name, right? And it will be related to loan, right? And what will be the relation? Customer takes loan, right? Okay, but if customer takes loan, then only loan exists, right? Otherwise it is weak, right? If the customer doesn't take loan, then this will be not of any use, right? So that's why this is a weak entity. So I will represent it in the double and the relationship will be also in double. Okay, so this is basically some difference of strong entity and weak entity. Strong entity will have a primary key and it will not be dependent on other and it represent as normal entity. In weak entity there will be no primary key and it will be dependent upon strong and it will be denoted by double. Okay, so this is a distinguish between what? Strong and weak entity. Okay, so next we will talk about attributes and types of attributes. Okay, so attributes. Okay, so what are the types of attributes? So there are majorly four types of attributes. Okay, first is what? Key attribute. Okay, then multi-valued attribute, then derived attribute, and last is a composite attribute. Okay, so let me take a student entity and we'll check what will be the attributes types for this, right? So first is what? Key means what? Unique, right? एक ताले की चाबी किससे खुलती है? वही ताले से खुलती है, राइट? वही चाबी से खुलती है वो ताला, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हाई की. सो की मतलब यूनिक, मतलब किससे आप पहचान सकते हो एक स्टूडेंट को, राइट? स्टूडेंट के आईडी से, राइट? स्टूडेंट के आईडी से या रोल नंबर से या रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर से. सो फाइल से रोल नंबर रोल नंबर कैन बी अ की एट्रीब्यूट. सो दिस इज अ की एट्रीब्यूट. व्हाई इज इट अ की एट्रीब्यूट? बिकॉज इससे आप पहचान सकते हो कि आप कौन से स्टूडेंट की बात करते हो. जैसे आप बोलते हो रोल नंबर 1 स्टैंड अप, राइट? सो रोल नंबर 1 ही एक ही बंदा स्टैंड अप होगा, राइट? या रोल नंबर 2 स्टैंड अप, सो बंदी एक ही खड़ी होगी, राइट? ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ की एट्रीब्यूट. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट? मल्टी वैल्यूड. मल्टी वैल्यू मतलब जिसके दो या दो से ज्यादा वैल्यूज हो सकते हैं, राइट? लाइक फोन नंबर, ओके, एक या दो से ज्यादा भी हो सकते हैं, मम्मी का, पापा का, सबका दे सकता है, राइट? ओके, सो इसको कैसे डिनोट करते हैं? डबल इक्लिप्स, डबल सर्कल से इक्लिप्स बोल लो. ओके, डबल इससे आपको इसको डिनोट करना है, ठीक है? सो मल्टी वैल्यूड मतलब क्या? जिसके मल्टीपल वैल्यूज हो सकते हैं, राइट? एंड डिराइव्ड, व्हाट इज डिराइव्ड मींस, सपोज आई हैव अ एट्रीब्यूट कॉल्ड एज डेट ऑफ बर्थ. Okay, so date of birth is suppose 23rd January 1994. Okay, so from this I can calculate the age of the student, right? Okay, so I can calculate what? Age of the student. So age is what? Derived from date of birth. Age is derived from date of birth. Okay, so this is denoted by dot eclipse, dot eclipse. This means what? Derived attribute. It is derived from what? Date of birth. It is derived from what? Date of birth. And what is the fourth one? Composite. So if I'll say address, okay, so address can be city, state and pin, right? Or city, state, or you can say city, state and lane, right? Okay, so city can be there, state can be there and lane can be there. Okay, so if this is connected to address, then it can be called as what? A composite attribute. Okay, because एक attribute से multiple attributes का born हुआ है, right? Multiple attributes born हुआ है, right? जैसे name है, name, right? Student का नाम, name में क्या हो सकता है? First name भी हो सकता है, last name भी हो सकता है, right? And middle name भी हो सकता है, right? So this can be called as a composite attribute. Okay, so these are the 4 types of attribute. key जिससे आप पहचान सकते हो, this will be a primary key, right? Then multi-valued में जिसका multiple values हो सकता है, like phone number. Derived, एक attribute से दूसरे attribute derive कर सकते हैं, जैसे date of birth से age पता कर सकते हैं. And composite, जिस एक attribute से multiple attributes का जन्म, that is called as what? That is called as attributes के types. Okay, next we will talk about relationship. Okay, so relationship are of what? Relationship are of 3 types. One is what? One to one. Second is what? One to many, right? Third is what? Many to one. And fourth is what? Many to many, right? Many to many. So many to many is given by M to M and not M to M. Okay, so let's see the example for one to one, one to many, many to one and many to many. So one to one relationship. So what you can think of in one to one, for example, I have a person entity and I have a passport entity. Okay, and one person will have only one passport, right? One person will have only one passport. So that can be an example of what? One to one relationship. Then one to many relationship. What you can think of? If suppose customer I have one entity and loan I have another entity. So one customer can take many loans, right? One customer can take many loans. So this can be an example of what? One to many relationship. Next is what? Many to one. So what you can think of? Suppose student is one entity and college is one entity, right? So many student goes to one college, right? Many student goes to what? One college. So that can be an example of many to one. Okay, and the last one is what? Many to many. So what you can think of in many to many? For example, student is one entity and project is one entity, right? So one student can do many projects, right? Or many students can do many projects, right? That can be also an example of what? Many to many relationship. Okay, if you have any doubt in this, I'll give my email ID below. You can contact me on that. Okay, thank you.